Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the React token from the React network. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, April 16th, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Reactive Network token, ticker symbol REACT, just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, April 16th at exactly 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Bingx. Now, if you haven't used Bingx before and you don't have an account and you're looking to get this token, you could download Bingx from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section anytime after 12 o'clock UTC time today, search React, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual at parsec_net. It says parallelized interoperability execution layer for EVM ecosystems, bringing the next generation of smart contracts to life. Over 70,600 Twitter followers, blue verified checkmark, over 3,100 tweets, has a link to their webpage, reactive.network, and a full link tree. It's going to take you anywhere you need to go. On the link tree, they have the token portal. They have a website, their main Twitter, the developer Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Telegram, Telegram chat, developer Telegram, Discord, and community and developer Discord as well. So the Reactive Network is an EVM-compatible execution layer that allows developers to create dApps using reactive contracts. These contracts differ from traditional smart contracts by using inversion of control of the transaction lifecycle driven by data flows across blockchains rather than user input. Reactive contracts receive event logs from various chains, executing solidity logic based on these events instead of user transactions. They can independently determine the need to transmit data to destination chains, enabling conditional state changes. The Reactive Network offers fast and cost-effective computation through a proprietary parallelized EVM implementation. So they have the Reactive Basics, the Reactive Essentials. So there's origins and destinations, reactive contracts, Reactvm, economy. The essentials are the mainnet and testnet, the library, events and callbacks, subscriptions, RNK, RPC methods. Then we have the reactive building, which is reactive demos on GitHub. And then there's the React Scan, education, frequently asked questions, and contacts. And you can find this all on their document section, dev.reactive.network. So the Reactive Network reads event streams and enables transactions across different ecosystems. And Origin acts as the event log provider, delivering events to reactive contracts within the Reactive Network. A destination is the ecosystem where the actual state transaction takes place. Origins and destinations don't have to be the same. Reactive contracts can be configured to work with multiple origins, and the system allows for multiple destinations, enabling conditional selection of which destination ecosystem will be used. They also have the callback proxy address, which ensures the validity of a callback transaction by enforcing two key conditions. First, it checks the callback is genuinely initiated by the reactive network by verifying that the sender address matches callback proxy address. Second, it confirms the legitimacy of the callback's origin by checking the RVM ID embedded in the transaction payload, which should correspond to the intended reactive contract. Now they have Reactvm, they have the React smart contracts, the mainnet, the library, RPC methods, the scan. You can find this all at dev.reactive.network. So the Reactvm is a specialized Ethereum virtual machine within the Reactive network designed to execute reactive smart contracts. It allows transactions to occur in random order across multiple threads while maintaining order within each Reactvm. Technically, Reactvm is an isolated execution environment that activates when an event matches an RSC subscription. Although this approach introduces some overhead, we've optimized the process by separating the EVM from gETH, reducing Reactvm's boot time to approximately 100 microseconds, and this overhead is insignificant relative to the network's processing capabilities. So when you deploy a reactive smart contract, it is assigned to a Reactvm. The Reactvm's address will match the externally owned account, the EOA, the address used in the deployment. All smart contracts deployed to the reactive network will ultimately reside within the personal Reactvm, enabling shared state and interaction amongst contracts. Excuse me. Although multiple RSCs can be deployed with a single Reactvm, this practice is generally discouraged. Now, the reactive state is determined by the collective states of individual Reactvms and their connections to external blockchains. Each Reactvm state is tied to specific block numbers and hashes from these chains embedded within the Reactvm's block. This linkage is necessary for tracking and managing reorgs in the origin chains, enabling the network to respond to changes. So if you want to read more, you can read more about the dual state environment, the processing flow, step-by-step description, etc. Check out dev.reactive.network. You can also follow their socials. You can find them all linked on their webpage, reactive.network. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Make sure you check out all the referral codes in the description box down there. And if you want to help support the channel, you can hit the join button and become a member. And thanks to all the people who have already hit the join button and become members. You are much appreciated. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day out there. Peace out.